Well, we were sitting down getting ready to eat when we heard a big rumbling, and it sounded 10 times worse than an earthquake rumbling. And then the house started fiercely shaking, and then we just hear a big boom. And the ceiling fell down, wires came down, beams came down. It was just terrible, and it was frightening. It's something that you never want to hear, feel, or experience. And it just destroyed the inside of the house.
What room is that?
That's the dining room.
And then it fell on my house. There's been trees falling all around here and trees down the street. These trees, they need to do something about it. I think the city needs to do something about it.
Cleaning up and dealing with is starting to cause a dip in the acres in the dirt, and it's where and you see the damage right there. You see where we tarped over the stuff that's over there.
It's like as soon as I got home, tree snaps and falls on the power line and takes out the line and one of the poles, and right then and there we lost power. And like literally 10 minutes later, the wind takes my canopy. The way it snatched that canopy, it was like it was going kite flying. It was just unbelievable. Winds were pretty strong. And the trees, we was looking at the trees, they were bowing and bending. It was really scary watching them wave back and forth.
Jelajahi cara baru mendapatkan informasi. Download MetroTV Extend sekarang.